I'm David Keane. I'm a microbiologist working at EcoLab. Today I've been speaking on the topic of cleaning and loading an isolator at the Cleanroom Technology Conference in Birmingham. A quick summary of that talk. We're looking at the cleaning and disinfection part of isolators because it's often a massively overlooked or misunderstood process of what is quite a key critical process. So in summary, we looked at the benefits of looking and working and educating your operators, some of the pitfalls that we see when using isolators in lower grade clean rooms and the potential risks that are involved. And some of the reasons for doing this is because of the ongoing regulatory changes, an example of which will be the new draft Annex 1, when and if it comes out. But in that there is an agenda that is being pushed about a contamination control strategy. And that's a good example of where your use of isolators and how you get them ready for the gassing cycle is connected to the CCS, because it's such a critical step about how you clean and control it that you really shouldn't overlook it as part of your site CCS strategy. So if you are interested more in discussing with us about either CCS strategies or about your cleaning and loading requirements on how to handle an isolator, or indeed just cleaning and disinfection in general, come to the booth, or alternatively check out the EcoLab website.